Based on the number of modes of propagation, there are two types of optical fiber, single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. In single mode fiber, only one mode is available. That means only one light ray can travel at a time. Single mode optical fiber is only of a step index type, and diameter of the core, as we have seen, the number of modes is directly proportional to diameter of the core. So diameter of the core is very small here, that is of the order of 9 micrometers. Multi-mode optical fiber can be of two types, actually, step index fiber and graded index fiber, and diameter of core is increased to 50 micrometers in case of multi-mode fibers. Single mode fiber is usually a step index fiber. In a step index fiber, the refractive index of core is constant. Because it is single mode fiber, the core is very thin, having the diameter of the order of 9 to 10 micrometers. Refractive index of core is mu1 and refractive index of cladding is mu2, and you can see there is an abrupt change of the refractive index at core cladding boundary. At core cladding boundary, refractive index suddenly changes from mu1 to mu2. Inside the core, it is constant. Because the core is very thin, the only one light ray can travel through it at a time. Step index multi-mode fiber is similar to step index single mode fiber. The only difference is diameter of the core is increased. In multi-mode fiber, the diameter of the core is typically of the order of 50 micrometers. Refractive index of core is constant and has the value of mu1. Refractive index of cladding is mu2, and the refractive index changes abruptly at the core cladding boundary. So this is a multi-mode fiber in which the diameter of the core is increased. Multi-mode fiber means more than one number of light rays can travel simultaneously. So more than one number of paths are available. Let us consider two light rays traveling through this optical fiber. One light ray is shown as red in color. It is arriving at the other end after multiple reflection, and this is light ray number 2, which is also arriving at the other end after multiple reflection. But you can clearly see that the two light rays are traveling different distances inside the optical fiber, and as the refractive index of core is constant, the velocity of these two light rays will be same inside the core, and as different distances are travelled, they will take different time to arrive at the other end. Here the light ray shown in red color is traveling longer path, and that's why it will take longer time to arrive at the other end. So if you are transmitting the light rays in a particular sequence, they may not arrive at the other end in the same sequence. The different light rays entering at different angles will take different amount of time to reach the other end. So this is a drawback of this step index fiber. The light rays will take different amount of time to reach the other end, and this time depends on the angle at which they are entering into the optical fiber. Graded index multimode fiber. In graded index multimode fiber, refractive index of core is not constant. Refractive index of core is maximum along the axis, and it gradually decreases as we go towards the cladding. Refractive index of cladding is mu2. Now because the refractive index of core is not constant, the light rays will not follow a straight line path inside the core, but rather it will travel this type of path. The direction of the light ray will continuously change because the refractive index is continuously changing. This variation in refractive index can be achieved by using concentric layers of different refractive indices. This will cause the periodic focusing of the light when it travels through the fiber. Here also you can see the light rays inside the fiber are traveling different distances. This light ray shown in red in color is traveling longer path, but most of the path traveled by this light ray red in color is in the rarer medium away from the axis where the refractive index is less, and that's why the velocity will be higher. So even though red light ray is traveling longer path, it is traveling most of its path in the rarer medium with higher velocity, and that is why the light rays will take almost same amount of time to reach the other end. The light ray traveling longer path is traveling most of its path in the rarer medium. The light ray which is traveling shorter path is traveling most of its path in the denser medium, and therefore both the light rays will take almost same amount of time to reach the other end. So irrespective of the angle at which the light rays are entering into the fiber, they will take same amount of time to reach the other end. So this is the advantage of graded index optical fiber. So this is a comparison between a step index fiber and graded index fiber. In step index fiber, the refractive index of core is constant. In graded index fiber, the refractive index of core is not constant. It is maximum along the axis, and as we go away from the axis, it gradually decreases. In step index fiber, the light rays travel different paths that depend on the angle at which they are entering into the optical fiber. And because the light rays are traveling different paths, they will take different amount of time to reach the other end. So the light rays entering at different angles will take different time to arrive at the other end. Whereas in graded index optical fiber, though the light rays are traveling different paths, the light ray traveling longer path is traveling most of its path in the rarer medium, so with higher velocity, and the light ray which is traveling shorter path is traveling most of its path in the denser medium, so with less velocity. So the light rays will take almost same amount of time to reach the other end irrespective of angle of entrance. So this is the advantage of graded index optical fiber over the step index optical fiber. Of course, graded index optical fiber is difficult to fabricate, and therefore it is costly. Step index fiber will be cheap. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.